Hey people, how are you? Gonna just show you a few things that I do to make a bit of extra cash out of my Facebook like page. So to create an offer, we click on. There's two ways to do it. Whoops. Let's go to the front. You can go to the front too and create an offer there, or you can put the app on the side of your page, which you go into settings. Quickly, you probably need that because sometimes it's not there. Edit page, and just go into this part here. Your template doesn't normally matter. Not that much. Which one template you're using? You just hit add a tab. And so you can put services review. I've already added it, of course. So, but it wasn't there. I must admit, I did have to add it, the offers. So just let you know in case it's not on your page. So let's go back. I've received an email with an offer and marketing page, and I found the ad here. So it's a Valentine's gift shop. And I'll just show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. So to start with, we need to just screenshot that photo. Probably make it square for it to work, and make sure you get that date in, which helps. So that would look about square to me, for it to work well on Facebook. And we'll leave that there on the sidebar for a sec. We'll go back to the dashboard. So if you haven't got an affiliate marketing company, I'll give you a link to mine. Millions of products you can use. So I've picked a social media page, picked my Facebook page there. I'll put the date as a unique ID. '18. And that's my code. Whoops. Go back to my Facebook page, add that screenshot I just hit, open that. Let's hope it works. Beautiful. Looks good. So it asks, where can people redeem this from? In store or online? It's actually online. So I then put that code link that I just copied into there, asking for. Add promo code. Drop that in there because the link is sending them to a online store. See how that. Okay. Just whoops. So 14th. So hopefully you can see all that. We're good to go. We'll publish that. Let's go back to offers. So, and you can create another one. I hope I've helped you. Goodbye and good luck.